highly recommend Traya, and you have to give it a try. If you are facing a similar situation like me, obviously go ahead with Traya and give some time. You will get the result at the end.
Hey, Jaymon.
Hi.
I'm so happy to have you, join this discussion with me. Please go ahead and tell us a little bit about yourself.
I started my journey with Traya in around like 7 months now, near to 7 months, and it was a one very wonderful journey. While I moved to Pune, I don't know how it's happened, but in my crown area, the first starting was hair fall. Okay, then I thought it was a normal. Okay, the water change or something like that, or the city change. Then I thought it was normal. After that, I seen that there is a lot of hair fall is coming, and in my crown area here, it's like visible area, like we can see the patches are coming. One day I was scrolling through Instagram, I came to know Traya. So after reviewing reviews and everything, I thought of going ahead with Traya. That's how I started my journey. For me, like if you buy any products, we have to first check the reviews, right? And
Right.
for Traya the reviews are like pretty much good for me,
Yeah.
and but not pretty much, is more than pretty much good for me. And how they the call to the customers and help like explain everything.
So, Jaymon, if I have to ask you, what were the few things that as a consumer what was going through your mind?
First of all, I was not noticed it, but while I going out, everyone used to tell me, like early used to have a lot of hair, now like this is happening. So that time I used to get some stress. So that was the main thing. After starting after now, I don't feel that the way I was earlier. Like now I am okay with like before hair fall thing. Now I
Yeah.
can say there is no patches in my head. I can say
Yeah.
say that.
Yeah, I feel like we looked at your scalp progress from right when you started to the most recent images, and I think the results are phenomenal. Customers who are experiencing the same type of hair loss that you've experienced, what would be the one tip or the one advice that you would offer to those people?
I highly recommend them Traya. You have to go ahead with them, and follow the diet plan, and whatever their coaches tell you how to, like at least you have to do it 70% or like 75. Then you obviously will get the result at the end. That's the main thing. At least you have to follow the diet and what are the medicine they're giving. If you're facing a similar situation like me, obviously go ahead with Traya and give some time. You will get the result at the end.